I will show you how to install Embarcadero C++ builder. So open your Google Chrome browser and search for Embarcadero C++ builder community edition. Then click on this result. Then you will come to this page and you can click on Get Community Edition Free. Just fill in this form here and then click on this check I'm not a robot and just click the download now. You will get a file which is something like this, and this is for you to install the Embarcadero C++ builder. It was previously Embarcadero C++ builder was previously known as Boolean C++ builder. So just double click on the installer, say yes, and it says it needs for .NET Framework 4.5. Please run setup after installing. So if you don't have .NET Framework 4.5, just search for it on the internet. Install .NET Framework 4.5 and then just click on the result that you find. And then click on download. Then install this .NET Framework 4.5. So just go ahead and download this first. So once it's finished downloading, install it. Click on the checkbox, install. I will pause the video and resume once it has finished downloading and installing. So it is now installing, almost done. And now it has finished installing. Just click finish. And you need to restart your computer. Just click on restart. Just say yes. Now my computer has restarted and I'm going to restart the installation again. Just click yes and click on I agree and click next. And here you have to key in your product serial number. So just if you already have a serial number, you must say I already have a product serial number. Now this product serial number would have been emailed to you when you sign up for downloading earlier. So just click the second choice, I already have a product serial number, and click on install. And now you key in your product serial number here. If you have the product serial number from your email, you can copy and paste it in here and then click register. So just paste your serial number here and click register. Then the installation process will begin. In this window, unselect iOS and check on these first two, 64-bit and 32-bit, and then click on continue. And then additional language, if you need it, you install samples and help as well if you want. Then click on install, and then you go ahead and download. Now the downloading process has begun and will take a few minutes, and it's time to go and grab some coffee or tea. So I'll just pause the video until it's done. Once you have finished installing, you should have a new icon, a shortcut on your desktop, which should look something like this. So I've installed this on my Windows 10, and this is what it looks like. Earlier I showed you Windows 7. So that's all for this lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.